I'm the Confused Ogre, and today we're painting dark gray hair on this dark flesh tone. Here we go.
Let's paint.
In the previous video, we painted dark flesh tones on this Warhammer miniature face. Now I'm going to be doing dark gray hair. Start with Mechanicus Gray base coat. Now this is almost so easy that it is cheating. In fact, I'm sure I'm going to get some comments on how easy this is. And in fact, you're probably going to accuse me of cheating. Anyway, cover all the hair you want with this dark Mechanicus Gray. Make sure you don't forget anything, like the mohawk or an eyebrow. I'm notorious for that, as you know. Now's a good time to go and hit those little details like the, I don't even know what you call them, the little metal clips and bands on his hair. I don't know. Anyway, with this gray, I actually just do multiple coats of Nuln Oil. I am specifically sticking right to the hair, not going over the skin or any details yet until I get about where I want it. So 1 or 2 coats of Nuln Oil, really giving some good shading and depth there, wicking away the puddles, wicking away the tops of the hair where I want highlights. And once it's about where I like it, I do one final coat of Nuln Oil on the entire head, the entire model, whatever you're working with, to really tie everything together and give it a, the same shade. So there we go. Pretty easy. It's just gray and Nuln Oil. Love it. If you liked it, hit me up, let me know, and until next time, see ya.